Hey guys,
Hey Vadim, what's up?
just starting my day. Come in.
So, can you describe me your role at RebelDot and in the partnership with Visa Cash App Racing Bull's F1 team?
Yeah, so throughout my career, I've been focusing both on the more engineering aspect of the work, but also on the strategic aspect of the work. So I'm deep in the code, writing the software, but I also use that experience to identify the opportunities for performance in a more strategic, business-oriented way.
Nice. And do you see your role more as a strategic one or technical?
That's a good question. I think both to a degree. I'm very passionate about the software side of things. I put in a lot of work and a lot of time in that, and I like to keep my skills sharp. But I also understand the benefit of the strategic work and the high-level work. So also being a founder from a young age, I think all of that insight has proven to be very useful.
I was wondering which Formula One memory first caught your interest?
So it was actually the first time that I joined a team in the paddock, because that's when it clicked for me. I realized that it's actually a sport of engineering, and being passionate about engineering and being an engineer myself has made me love it even more.
Do you have a circuit on the current F1 calendar that feels closest to your own personality?
Well, I think it might be that very same one. It was Zandvoort in the Netherlands. I enjoyed very much seeing the cars go through the Tarzan corner, I think it's called. That was a nice experience.
Can you recall a moment on the VCarb project that made you think this is where I want to be?
Well, it was very exciting to see how new body parts are being designed, from the simulated environments to the wind tunnel testing, and finally putting it all together onto the car. I've always had a passion of seeing how simulated data and real world interact with each other, and this is just taking it to the next level.
Okay, Andre, bye.
And what surprised you most during your first visit to the VCarb facility?
That's easy. It's the complexity of keeping two cars on track every weekend. The complexity behind the engineering, the entertainment, the business side of things, everything just for people to enjoy it.
And one more question, Vadim. How would you describe your work to friends who are not into tech?
I would say I work in the simulation, which is both funny and true. It's funny because aren't we all just working in a simulation? But it's also true because there's a lot of effort going on behind the scenes of testing every little detail before an F1 car reaches the track on race day.